Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian and today I want to talk about how to start an Amazon FBA business from scratch. So make sure to stick till the end of the video. I really appreciate early thumbs up and let's jump into the video. So in order to start an Amazon business from scratch, absolutely from zero, you need to have an edge. And like in any business, you have to have an edge because first of all, the competition, it's out of this world on Amazon. Everybody try to make money on Amazon, right? So the competition, it's sky high. So when the competition is high, everybody make less and less money. So without an edge in this business, you not gonna make any money, or worst case you will lose money, but it's most likely you will lose money than make money if you start with no edge, no plan, no nothing. So having an edge in this business, it can come in like different forms, which I would like to categorize this form. So first, like, and the most powerful advantage or edge you can have on this business is having a lot of money. If you start the business with a lot of money, you can outcompete easily everyone, because I mean it's not a math science, so you have to be a genius understanding that starting a business with a lot of money you can outcompete everybody. First of all, you have leveraging or negotiating power. So if you have a product and you have a supply made in it, you can negotiate very easily with them because you can order a lot of units and they basically have to accept your terms. You're not gonna accept their term because let's say you buy 100,000 pounds or dollar, whatever you want, of one unit. So, and let's say the supplier, it want like, I don't know, 50 pounds for it. Well, if you buy 100,000 pounds worth of those items, you can easily drag it down to like almost production cost. So the supplier will barely break even, so you can drag it down to 15 or to 10. So imagine if you have so much cheap of the product, you can selling it very cheap at the same time, right? And the next guy that basically he find the same product, he knew it's selling, but he doesn't have as much money as you have. He, let's say he only, the lowest he can buy it is for 50. So how he gonna sell it cheaper than you if you buy it for 50? So you are already in massive advantage over him, only because you have negotiating power. So but I highly doubt that people that search for those topics, how to start Amazon business, and end up on my video, have this amount of money to start an Amazon business. So another thing that you can use to your advantage is you are a consumer of some of the product, and let's say you looking for a particular product, you searching it for this product, but I mean you find something but it's kind of crappy. It's doing the job that you wanted, but the product is not the best quality. It's breaking very fast, or it doesn't do the job that you actually want in an efficient way or in a good way. So here we go, you have a product that you can do better than the one that you bought, and there is high chance that if you look for those products, it's also other people's looking for it. So there you have straight away a product that tends to be maybe there is interest, and there is nobody selling a proper version of it. So you can make it a proper version of this product and sell it on Amazon. This is one way you can do it, but it's kind of difficult, I can say this way, and Also, it's a specific niche that you have to like to be interested in this thing. So usually the market is extremely efficient, and it's found very quickly if it's a gap in the market, that it's a risk, like it's a big volume of search for one product and nobody selling it. There'll be very quickly people jumping on this product and try to make a good version on, or maybe they trying to they trying to sell this product, or they trying to find this product only because it's a demand and nobody's selling it. But it's not impossible, I can say. Okay, the last, I can say there can be many edges that you can have, but this is the last which I use and which I think is the most appropriate for people that don't have a lot of money to start, is having acknowledge. This I like to call it knowledge advantage. I don't have the most money of like other seller on Amazon. I don't have the big relationship with, I don't know, with companies or whatever, but I have knowledge. I kind of know what's selling, what not selling, where to buy it, when to buy it. And this is a massive edge over other sellers, because like if you know something will go on to sell even in the future, will go on, you buy now this product, you have the inventory now, is not selling now but will sell in the future. This is a massive advantage, because first of all, what I like to do, I price like those products very high, so the guys that I compete with them, they compete between themselves, each others, like I don't know, let's say there's 10 sellers of the same product. They sell it for cheap because they compete. I do not like competing on price. I like more to compete on when I'm the only one selling that specific product. I let them finish the stock, and then I will come to play. I will come into the game, and if I'm the only one owning the supply or the product, I will technically can sell it for way more expensive than they do, and without any competition. And this is massive. I think one reason I did succeed in selling on Amazon is because I find this little trick, I can say, but not trick, it's like trial and error. In the end, I was trying a lot of things didn't work, and I find this strategy, if I can say so. I don't see too many people talking about on YouTube, because or they don't sell on Amazon first of all, and only they make YouTube video about that, or they don't know it. But yeah, I think it's kind of unique to me, this one, and I like to call it knowledge advantage, because I'm not the smartest, I don't have the most money, but still I can outcompete other guys that they're smarter than me and they have more money than me. Yeah, so if you want to know more about those type of strategies that I use, you can consider subscribe to the channel. I will post more video related to Amazon. Also, I post video about investing. So if it's a topic that interests you, make sure you can subscribe, like the videos, and if you have any question, make sure to comment down below. I'll try to answer them. Also, you can send me a message on Instagram or Facebook, links again down below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.